watch the Spy Ninjas, go to Daniel Gizmo. They just made a video and it is really sad. They quit YouTube. But now I just have my fidget toy right now. And if you want to make like one of these, like an N. It's not a perfect N. You just have it like that. Make sure the tips are right together, like. So I kind of have to wipe this a lot, but there we go. Tips doesn't have to be together, but it makes it perfect. And then you just try to, and it's really sad because Chad and V does not know. And there's a perfect end. Chad and V doesn't know. Chad, V, Melvin, Justin / Cloaker doesn't know. Justin is the Cloaker. And his real name isn't Justin, it's the Cloaker. Well, Cloaker, but it's the Cloaker. Okay, now let's use can you like, follow, and share? I only have 2 subscribers, and that is not for me. I really want to impress my mom and get a golden play button. Or one of those. So y'all can please subscribe to Fun with Boiling. That would be helpful. Now let's see if I could pull this before y'all like, share, and comment. 3, 2, 1. Did I win? Okay, so as I say, did I win or did I not? And then I pause it. I'm going to show y'all some other fidget toys. So I have this one. Bye.